Hi YouTube, my name is Sherry. Thank you for tuning into this video. In today's video I am going to be doing like an unboxing, but it's actually a re-unboxing. The item is in this box right here. I have already gone ahead and opened the box to eliminate all the opening on camera. This did come with this Louis Vuitton magazine inside, and I'm pretty shocked that it actually has a magazine because I was told that LV has stopped actually printing their catalog. So it says number 12. I guess this is the 12th edition. I'm not really sure what the number 12 means. I'm going to put that there. This is a pre-ordered item. I did order this before the price increase. I have been trying to get this item back for about 3 weeks consistently. I've had this before, but I had to send it back because it was defective. And with that statement, you all should kind of know what this is. So I'll go ahead and take it out the box. Here is my receipt. So like I stated, I did have this item before. It was defective. There was a price increase on this item, but because I pre-ordered it, I was able to get this for the old price. And the whole price increase situation is a totally different subject, but I really wanted to get it because I had heard that Louis Vuitton was doing a price increase. I didn't realize it would take about 3 weeks for it to actually hit, but I was really gunning to get this before the price increase took into effect, because I'm not really sure that with their price increases I will continue to buy. As of right now, they're canceled, but I do have some other pieces coming that I did pre-order, so I will be doing unboxings on those, and then that'll really be it for my Louis Vuitton journey, whatever the case may be, just because all the price increases, I'm not sure it's really worth it for the canvas items. I would prefer to venture out into other brands, which is probably what I'll be doing.
Are you done? Are you done?
So let me go ahead and take this off, stop rambling. And again, you all probably already know what this item is, so it shouldn't really come as a shock. I didn't request for it to be gift wrapped because when I called the 1-800 number and placed, or the 1-866 number and placed the order, they didn't give you an option to have it gift wrapped. So make sure I got it turned around. I got it upside down. There we go. There it is. Let's take it out. Okay. There she is. Miss Palm Springs Minnie. Okay. That was probably corny, but look at this, you guys. It's so cute. Look. And it's not defective, as you all, and I will link that video in the description box. But last time, I think it was this side right here came like smushed in, and I tried everything from like hanging this on something like on a hook to where it would pull it out, but it just didn't work. And after I had it for about 3 weeks and I just got tired of that little piece being sunk into the bag, I just sent it back, and I tried to get another one then. That was back in April, but they were out of them. They've been out of stock for a very long time and really hard to get. And I've tried to get it in the store, but the store has never called me back to order it. I guess other people were trying to get it and they had better clientele who, you know, see them a little bit more frequent than I do. But nonetheless, I have this back in my collection. I don't even want to say back in my collection. It's not like I really actually had it the first time, even though I did, but I have it back in my possession, we'll say that. So, but here she is. It's so cute. Let's open her. So far, everything looks good. It smells really good. Oh, I love that Louis Vuitton smell. Zipper's so smooth. And straps on the inside. Inside that black. There is something about why I really wanted to get this. There is something about the monogram and the black to me that I just absolutely love. And I don't know if it because it just feels carefree to me. I noticed that my Vachetta pieces I'm a lot more hesitant to carry. I don't want to get them dirty. I like them in the new condition, in the brand new condition, untouched, no marks, no nothing, or I like them in the used condition. you know, and I prefer the used condition because I'm more apt to use them, if that makes sense. So hopefully it makes sense what I just said. Even though I like the new ones, I'm always scared to use them. And a lot of my new Louis Vuitton pieces with the extra new Vachetta, I hesitate to use those. But when it comes with the black, I love these. I use them. I use my Noe, my Neo Noe all the time. Use that consistently for about a year. I love my Vanity PM. I was kind of thinking these bags were very similar because they do have the black and monogram, which, I mean, it's black and monogram, but nonetheless, I still love them. I will not be carrying this as a crossbody bag or even as a backpack. I don't want to say I won't, but I have no plans on doing it that way. I do plan to carry this as a top handle like this. There's something about carrying this as a top handle with this shape I just absolutely adore. And I can just see myself out and about on date nights with my husband carrying this. And if I should have to use the crossbody, I will carry it with me so I can sling it over me as a crossbody. And I probably would wear it as a backpack, but because it's probably so easy to get in and out of, I would be very cautious of where I wear it to as a crossbody. You know, to the park with my daughter while I'm playing, yes. But in a heavily crowded place, I actually would not wear this as a crossbody because I just wouldn't want to be worried about someone opening it up and I'm not paying attention. So, but here it is. This is my quick unboxing of my Palm Springs Mini. All right. So if you guys have any questions about this item, please leave it in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the family. Thank you all who have already subscribed. I do appreciate you subscribing. Thank you all who comment on my videos. I really do appreciate it. I really do love interacting with you all. Even though I have a busy life, I really do appreciate you commenting and letting me know that you all are watching the videos or you appreciate even some of the content that I make here. Again, I'm just a normal girl just making videos on things that I love. So not trying to be an influencer, but just sharing things that I love. Please subscribe again, and I will see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.